Okay, so man, can you feel it? The energy? This is exciting. We're about to get into building our own AI agent together and learn about the process and the workflow and see this in action. So you don't have to take my word anymore for it. You can see for yourself and just see how powerful and exciting this technology is. I honestly think I'm underhyping it, but we'll see. I want you to take a look and make your own assessment, and then please let me know in the reviews what you think after. I very much appreciate this. I really enjoy building courses, and I appreciate hearing from you and then working on better quality and just bringing to you guys interesting technology in ways that are practical and put together. Okay, so you should see a dashboard now. You should have created your account. And in your dashboard, it's okay. It doesn't matter. You shouldn't, if you see these test runs, none of this should be here. It should just be like a blank dashboard for the most part with workflow. If you click on credentials, you're going to see that I have credentials already uploaded because I've been messing around with it in order to build out the lectures. So we're going to add your credentials as you go along. It's very easy and intuitive to do it. If you run into any issues, just shoot a message. But there's even AI integration that can help you step by step, and you can ask questions without even having to go to ChatGPT. But you shouldn't have any credentials yet. They'll be automatically requested as we're building. So what is, before we start, the last thing, and I want you to notice here that we do have this on the sidebar, different options like templates, admin panel, variables. If we click on templates, you're going to see that we go back to this template page, kind of like how it looked on the front page, and there's these different trending templates, like things that you can just do to get started, like chat with GitHub API and all these agents. You can feel free to check through that while I talk about in this lesson, because we're not going to start building till the next lesson. I do want to talk about one more thing, and what that is basically is I want to go through the fundamentals of what N8N is for AI agents and why we're working with this tool.